for all evening. I have in my hand the results. And before we go to the main part, I will reveal the result for the subtitles. The first subtitles for the evening is for the best personality, and to give away the award to the winner, may I invite Shri Melvin Mukhim to kindly come on the stage and give away the prize to a winner. And the Miss Personality, Miss Ribhoy Tourism 2022 goes to contestant number 2, Magrita Nongplang. Stay back, sir. Sir Melvin, please stay back. And I will now announce the result for the Miss Photogenic. The subtitles for the Miss Photogenic Miss Ribhoy Tourism 2022 goes to none other than contestant number 7, Miss Deima Pishisha Kongjua. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I will now reveal the subtitles for the best catwalk. And it goes to contestant number, any guesses? The subtitles for the best catwalk goes to contestant number O-N-E. Contestant number 1, Miss Wanda Shisha Rani. invite on the stage Pak Plilak Tiusok, the chairman of the Riphoi Tourism Environment and Development Forum, to give away the prize for the Miss Talented and Beautiful Smile. And the subtitles for the Miss Talented goes to contestant number 6, Zenobia El Nonglan.
The wait is finally over. The top 5, hold your breath, because I have the list here, and the winner, the second one is up.
I request the top 5 finalists to kindly step forward, please. Our finalists, we have Daima P. Shisha Kongjo, contestant number 7, Malaysia El Nombri, contestant number 8, Sonia Mary Lingdo, contestant number 9, Bala Wansok Makri, contestant number 10, and Jessica Ibawansok Nongrom, contestant number 17. Ladies and gentlemen, these are our 5 finalists. And remember, one of them will be the Miss Riphoi Tourism 2022. Miracle, please take over.
Without wasting any more time, the second runners-up of Miss Riphoi Tourism 2022 is, any guesses?
17! 17! Number 9!
Second runners-up of Miss Riphoi Tourism 2022 is contestant number 7, Daima P. Shisha Kongjo. And to do the honor, I'd like to call upon Miss Priti Thapa on stage. Calling upon Miss Priti Thapa on stage.
Our second runner-up winner will receive the cash prize of 15,000 along with other gifts and supplings.
Big round for our second runners-up.
have a loud round of applause for our first runner-up, Miss Ribhoi Tourism 2022. She is contestant number 17, Miss Jessica Ibawanso Mauro.
No.
And the winner goes to the Miss Ribhoi Tourism 2022 winner is, to do the honors, may I invite Miss Sanwaka Surong, the winner of the Mega Miss Northeast, to kindly come forward and give away the prize to the most awaited result.
Meghalaya is winner. Apollo is Surong Kamet.
Well, ladies and gentlemen,
Prize.
Miss Ribhoi Tourism 2022 goes to none other than contestant number. Any guesses from the audience? The Miss Ribhoi Tourism 2022 goes to contestant number TEN 10. Contestant number 10, Miss Balawansu Makri. Along with the gift vouchers